Would you like to be able to expand the capabilities of ChatGPT beyond the amazing stuff it already can do? If so, I think you're going to love the bonus that I'm going to offer you in my review of Mail Your Offer. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Ham. I know as the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I know the great people at Canada successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you could skip it. I don't even have to tell you about it. You know that it's the same boring stuff over and over again. Yada, 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 the same things over and over. I know, but I like my jokes. I tell them anyway, even though they are the same boring jokes. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and infographics to make money online niche. And why would I just to be my desk? Well, it's very simple. Just make sure that you don't buy much of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Dude, haven't we had this conversation? I feel like you're here like every other video. This guy drives me nuts. Seriously drives me insane. Over and over and over again. Loving crap. You don't love crap, dude. Nobody does. Nobody. It's so annoying. Even my cat is upset with me for saying that, talking about it. Anyway, seriously, if you are the way these work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, I like next time. Now, I also do live video about mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz. I mean, I see Liz, she is such a sweetheart. You know, I really can't get angry at this lady. She's a fellow New Yorker. Well, I'm no longer a New Yorker. Now I live in Western Pennsylvania, but hey, you know, I used to be a New Yorker. One of my pictures I still use all the time is me in the Yankees t-shirt, and I've had people complain about it, say I can't wear that in Pennsylvania. But anyway, but seriously, if you make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so look right now at the sales page for Mail Your Offer. This is from my friend Dawood Islam. Now, Dawood is, as you can see here, a top 10% affiliate, top 5% vendor on Warrior Plus. Basically, what he's going to do is he's going to allow you to directly send your offer every single day to over 35,000 members across his various websites. Now, the idea here is basically that you're going to be able to make, you know, basically get his people to be interested in buying and getting on your list. Now, in order to help you out with this, I'll show you the members here in just a second, but in order to help you out with this, I do have a few custom bonuses I'm going to be giving you. So first and foremost, I'm going to give you my custom ChatGPT prompt, which is designed to help you to mimic the writing style of famous copywriters. This is really, really valuable because it's basically going to teach you how to mimic people like Dan Kennedy, whose writing style is worth $50,000 a piece. That's going to be included for free. And you can pretty much mimic anybody. I've done it, for example, with Shakespeare, which was really quite impressive. And the only reason I use Shakespeare is because it's very, very noticeable. But you can easily tell also when you use anybody else as a distinctive writing style, you can tell that you're doing that. In addition to that, I'm also going to be giving you my guide to using Gmail in order to send out your emails. You're going to get better quality opens because Gmail actually runs their own servers. And so when you send out emails from Gmail, you'll be able to get their own servers. You're also going to get access to my guide to using a plugin for Gmail, which will actually allow you to have AI write your emails for you automatically. Okay, so you're going to get all those things included for free. But what I'm really, really excited about is a new feature that they have in ChatGPT, where basically what you can do is you can use plugins. There are hundreds upon hundreds of them now, I think over 1,000 at this point, that do things, for example, like you can access content from Wolfram Alpha. It's a mouthful of a term. Basically, this is a website that has like scholarly articles. So if you want ChatGPT to go ahead and start accessing those things, you'll be able to do that. And there's a couple of really weird things like there, for example, there's something that would allow you to use ChatGPT to plan out a train trip in Europe. There's also a way to use ChatGPT to figure out where there are abortion clinics in your area for some reason that you don't want to use Google for that. I don't know why, but anyway, but there's literally hundreds and hundreds of plugins that will expand the capabilities of ChatGPT. Very few people even know that these things exist. I put together a brand new video explaining exactly how to use these plugins. It is yours free with full PLR rights, along with PLR to all the other stuff I mentioned earlier when you pick up mail your offer from me. Now, as far as mail your offer, like I said, you get to send out an email every single day for 365 days to 35,000 members across that with various websites. So you can go ahead and start making offers to these people and use the AI system and the Gmail email system in order to maximize your open rates when you actually mail to these people. And of course, you'll have the perfect bonus to offer them, where you can offer them my video showing them how to use ChatGPT plugins, because very few people even know that they exist, never mind how to use them. So this is the members area, very basic members area. Basically, all it is submit your URL and pretty much set it when you're done. One thing you gotta do is test your URL, make sure that's compatible with their rules. They do have a few resources just to help you with like free squeeze pages and things like that. And there's a few bonuses over here as well with additional material. But this is the basic thing. You're going to submit your URL. The price is $9.95. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip about my Hasbro credit card or not.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously, you demand. This is awesome. Okay, when you can send out to 35,000 members every single day. Let's say you have a terrible conversion rate. Let's say at 35,000 people, you only get 100 people to actually sign up. Okay, you get 100 leads at $9.95. That's nothing. That is like, what, 10 cents per lead, and you're getting PLR to all of my content, which nobody's going to offer you. That is a ridiculous cheap offer. I usually pay $10 to $20 to acquire a lead, because when I'm doing it, in order to do it, I actually have to sell them something and give an affiliate 100% commissions on all the money. So yeah, go ahead and grab this. This one is great. You're going to love it.